Welcome to this detailed Search Atlas tutorial for beginners. Based strictly on the information from their official website, Search Atlas is described as an agentic, all-in-one AI-powered marketing platform that executes SEO, AEO, AI visibility, Google Ads, SEO content, and AI website building daily. The core promise is that you can replace fragmented tools like Ahrefs or SEMrush with one unified system. The main selling point is OTTO SEO, which applies technical fixes, optimizes content, and improves rankings automatically using real search data. Though crucially, the website states that OTTO SEO will only make changes to your site when you approve them in the dashboard. You are always in control. There are 4 SEO and AI automation plans. Starter at $99 per month for solo marketers and freelancers with essential tools including Atlas Agent, Website Studio. Growth at $199 per month, marked most popular, for scaling agencies with enhanced features like 2 AI SEO projects, Smart Ads Automation, and 3 user seats. Pro at $399 per month, offering the best value for high-volume teams with 4 AI SEO projects, advanced LLM capabilities, white label options, and 5 user seats. Agency at $999 per month for large client portfolios with up to 10 AI SEO projects, unlimited capabilities, white label reporting, and 10 user seats, all starting with a 7-day free trial. Press subscription button and wait for new videos, folks.